Split screen is a very unique video editing technique, which allows multiple videos to play on one screen at the same time, and produces different visual effects and expressions. In today's video, we're going to show you some facts about split screen, and show you how to use split screen in your own videos. If you're interested in this, keep watching the video. A split screen is actually a sort of screen cut that divides a full screen into two or more frames so that they can appear on the screen at the same time. For example, in the monitoring screen, to enable multiple real-time feeds to appear on the same display. And in the film industry, some very interesting ideas can be achieved through a clever split screen. For example, show different storylines or different perspectives in the same frame to increase the sophistication and appeal of the story. The film The Rules of Attraction uses a split screen in the clip to divide the screen into two frames to show the point of view of the main male and female character respectively. In addition, when the main characters are at different locations but in need of conversation with each other, such as a calling scene, a split screen is also a good choice. You can also use a split screen technique to show some fantasy scenes. For example, in the film Queen of Spades, the director uses a split screen to show the fantasy scene in the main character's mind. Of course, you can also use a split screen to create a sharp contrast between the left and the right image and reinforce the core of the film. For example, in 500 Days of Summer, a split screen is used to show what the hero expects in his mind and the real situation in reality. The contrast magnifies the feeling of loneliness in the film.
Good, how are you?
Good.
What?
Of course, besides movies, the split screen technique is also often used in some creative commercials. For example, you can Starbucks by Nike. By using the split screen, various sports moves are connected together, making the originally unrelated image into a whole.
Because nothing can stop what we can do together.
Another example is the flow burling. The director also used a split screen to make a whole out of things that originally unrelated and make the composition of the picture more complete. Split screen is a very useful editing technique. It is easy to use and can greatly enrich the appeal of our vlogs. In VideoProc, we just need to drag in two clips and put them on the video track and overlay track. Make them fit to screen. Then, based on the content of the video, we go to the crop interface. By adjusting the video border, we keep the key elements of the video. Then go back to the main interface. Adjust the size and position in the preview window again. Now, let's create some dynamic effects to make the entry and exit of the split screen more natural. First, import the two videos into VideoProc. Then, put the video you want to appear in the split screen into the overlay track, and make it fit to screen. Then, put the other video into the video track. Then select the clip on the overlay track. As before, go to the crop and cut out the key content. Then click here to enter the motion editor. At the keyframe on the far left side, make the box fit to the screen. Then move the box down and out of the screen. At the first 1 second, at the second keyframe, move the box upwards. We change the speed to smooth speed down 1, and put a keyframe at the end of the timeline. click Apply, and adjust the position of the video in the preview window. Put it directly above the screen. Drag the playhead and find the time where the screen enters. Use the shortcut M to mark another clip. Then go to the motion editor. Find the position where we just marked. Add a keyframe. And make the box fit to the screen. Find 1 second later. Add a second keyframe. Then move the box up. Let the screen shift downwards. Note that here, you need to keep the key content of the screen as much as possible. Then change the speed to smooth speed on 1. And add a keyframe at the end. And there you have it, a split screen intro motion effect. Well, this is all of today's video, and if you want to know more about other editing tricks or what has been going on with VideoProc Vlogger, be sure to click that subscribe button to subscribe channel if you haven't yet. And we'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!